In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Godaddy Nameservers. If you're hosting a website through Godaddy or simply managing domain settings, knowing where to locate your nameservers is essential. This task might seem complex if you're unfamiliar with domain management, but by the end of this guide, you'll see just how straightforward it can be. Firstly, to begin, you'll want to navigate to the Godaddy website and sign into your account. If you haven't already created an account, you'll need to do so first. Once logged in, you'll be taken to your account dashboard. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this page. Here, you'll see various options and icons related to your domains, products, and services associated with your account. Next, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page where you'll see an icon or option labeled My Products. Click on this. It should bring you to a list of all the domains you own or manage under this account. Now, this part might seem a little daunting if you have multiple domains, but worry not. Each domain is clearly listed, and you can scroll through as needed. Locate the specific domain for which you want to find the nameservers. Click on the domain name, and you'll be taken to a detailed settings page for that domain. Here, you're presented with various options to manage and configure your domain, but for nameservers, we're interested in one section in particular. On the domain settings page, look for a section or tab labeled DNS. Click on this option to access your DNS settings. Once you're in this DNS management area, you'll see your current nameserver settings displayed clearly. These are the authoritative servers that point to the specific location of your website. By default, if you've purchased your domain through Godaddy, these nameservers will be Godaddy's own servers unless they've been manually changed. If you need to adjust your nameservers, say for pointing your domain to a different host, you can do so here. There will be an edit option. Click it to modify the nameservers to the ones provided by your new hosting provider. Always double-check any changes to ensure they're input correctly, avoiding any potential disruptions to your website's visibility. After making any necessary changes, remember to save them. It can take a little time for these adjustments to propagate across the internet, so if changes don't appear instantaneously, this is normal. Allow some time for everything to update correctly. To sum up, finding and managing your Godaddy nameservers is a crucial task for anyone working with domains on this platform. Once familiar with these steps, you'll find handling your domains becomes much more manageable and intuitive. Thanks for joining me today, and happy domain managing!